Okay, today we're going to see how these 4 fuel injector cleaners, Chemtool, Supertech, Techron, STP, mixed with Shell V nitro gasoline, can clean these carbon spark plugs. So what I'm going to do is, I've got the gasoline already in the bowls. I'm going to put the spark plugs in the bowls and then put a tablespoon of the B12 in that bowl, tablespoon Supertech in that bowl, and so on. And then we'll let them sit for about an hour, see how they look, and then I'll let them sit overnight. Use primer right here. I got some storage.
5W30.
No, it's mine like 45.
Good for storage.
That's their floor cleaner.
Out of the body. Air intake.
So this is what the spark plugs look like. You can see they're carboned up pretty good. They look similar as far as the carbon goes. You know, I can't get them exactly the same, but this, yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so we'll put each one in a bowl. I'll start with the Chemtool. I'll wipe it off every time too. Supertech. STP. Okay, we'll let them soak for 1 hour and see what they look like. Set a clock here, timer. Yep. Okay, be back in 1 hour. Okay, they've been soaking for almost an hour. Let's take a look at them up close. Look at the Chemtool. He's got all cloudy. Yeah, you can't even see through it now. You can see some stuff in there though. How about the Supertech? Always this side. You can see the Supertech is lighter in color. They all got cloudy. Could be because today's a humid day. It's like the dew point over here is in the lower 70s today. And the Techron, it's hard to see anything because they all came out cloudy. The STP, hard to tell. Well, this one's definitely darker. The Chemtool is definitely darker, so it's doing more than the other ones. These are definitely lighter here. I'll zoom it out a little bit here, you can see it. Well, okay, let me get back here. Okay, I say we let these soak overnight. Maybe we'll see some difference. I can't really tell anything right now, but I think the Chemtool, B12 Chemtool here is doing the best. So I'm going to let these sit overnight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover them up. Spilt a little bit. I spilt it a little bit. That's all right. I gotta cover them up because they're gonna evaporate. Ah, shoot. That's gonna. I hope that doesn't mess the test results. Well, I wanted to put the cover over it so it wouldn't evaporate overnight. Hopefully it's all okay. It's the Techron spilt out a little bit, but it's still in there, so it's still covered, most of it. We'll see what happens. Sorry about that. This container's a little bit small. I just thought it was the right size, but I guess not. Okay, I'll come back tomorrow. It'll be 1 second your time and about, well, it's noon. It's almost noon right now, and tomorrow morning, so it'll probably be about 18 hours my time. All right, we'll see you tomorrow morning. Okay, it's been about 19 hours, and let's see what they look like this morning. So I'll put this gas can on top, take that off. See if I can get this cover off without spilling these. Okay. STP there, Techron there, Supertech, B12. Okay, let's get down on them and see what they look like. It looks like they cleared up overnight. Yeah, you can see some stuff in the B12. Yeah, looks good. They got some stuff. Okay, and up with the Supertech. Yeah, even the Supertech got some stuff. Wow. Stuff's cheap too. I think it's like $1 for one. That did pretty good too. It's clearer. You can tell that it's clear compared to the B12. And the Techron, it's got a little color to it. Yeah, it also got some stuff. Yeah, got some stuff too. And the STP. STP is lighter, but it also has stuff on the bottom. You can see it down there. Yeah. Hey, they did all pretty good. I think maybe the B12 did a little better. I don't know. They're pretty tied. What do you guys think? Let me bring this back. So I'll put the gas can back here. STP, Techron, Supertech. Yeah, this stuff's only $1. I think I paid 99 cents for just one of these. And the B12. Let's look at them individually or up close. Look at the plugs themselves. Yes, okay, this is the B12 on my left, or on your left. The STP's on the right. Yeah, clean them up a little bit so you can see them down the bare metal. They both did pretty good. Let me try the Supertech. I had to do this over the camera here, but Supertech's on the left. And I got the Techron here on the right. And you can also see some, right there you can see the bare metal. Well, they all did something. Okay, so all four of these did a little bit of something. I'm surprised what the Supertech did. For $1, this stuff's only $1. It treats 21 gallons. Pretty good stuff for $1. The Chemtool probably did the best, but it's hard to say. They all did pretty good. On my next test, what I want to do is I want to use a Chevron gasoline instead of the Shell. I want to use these 4 fuel injector cleaners plus 4 other ones. So I'll have 8 altogether, 8 spark plugs, 8 fuel injector cleaners. And I'll take the 4 first suggestions for fuel injector cleaners. So put them down in the comments below and I'll use them. So I think I'll wrap this video up. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.